If you own crypto or waiting on the sideline for a buying opportunity, watch until the end of the video. We're gonna cover right now Bitcoin. What do I expect for Bitcoin coming next? Even Ethereum. And if we have time, we're gonna cover some more coins and in general about the crypto market. And let's do everything after the intro. So let's get right into the news. This is the dollars going up and down over here. So let's start with ETH. We can see this tweet from Jeff Seckinger. ETH is one of the few that broke resistance and finally created its first higher high after 3 months of a downtrend. The question is, will it lead the rest of the market up? Or is it a stop loss hunt before another move lower? Which is exactly what I think. This, the second part of the tweet, is what I think is happening. We're going to cover it soon, but as you can see here, he is showing the chart. This is the chart that I will show you soon as well. You can see we have this consolidation phase and we broke to the upside. Okay, so this is first. Second, I love Bitcoin because it represents the freedom of the people. This is from a Mexican senator that probably no one knows her name. Third, fidelity. They say Bitcoin is the most decentralized and secure protocol in existence. We are starting to hear like a good news, some good news, some people loving Bitcoin, and that's nice. But whenever I hear good in the media, I think bad. Always think the opposite. Be smart. Don't listen to what everybody telling you. Okay? So this is about that. Let's go a little bit into the chart. Say bye-bye to the dollars. Let's go to the screen. Okay? Now, we are at the Bitcoin chart. Let's do it on the 4 hours. So whenever you watch the video, that's gonna be relevant to you. So this is the Bitcoin chart in the 4 hours. As you can see, we are consolidating in this channel. If you look at Ethereum, we have a very similar channel, but in Ethereum, like you saw in the tweet, we broke out of this channel. Okay, now what's happening? Okay, you can see here we had a touch in the resistance here, a touch in the resistance here, a touch in the resistance here, a touch in the resistance here. Now what's happening? Every time that we are having this uptrend, let's say from the first time here, we have an uptrend. We'll mark it here. And if we mark it like that, once we break out of this uptrend, we are going down. So we broke the uptrend right in this area, just right here. And after we broke it, we're going down from this area to touch the support. Same thing happened here. We had an uptrend from the bottom to the top of this channel. We broke this uptrend and we went back down. What happened? And this is exactly what the guy said, dear Jeff said right here. The question is, will it lead the rest of the market or it's a stop loss hunt before another move lower, which is exactly what I think. I think it was just a stop loss hunt. ETH is not leading the market. Bitcoin is Ethereum is leading the market. We just had here a selling opportunity. We had this uptrend just like that. Okay, and if people follow the trend, and they do usually follow the trend and short it here and short it here, so it looked really like it's going to go down. As you can see here, nothing is different. Why would it go up? And this is why I think we had this massive candles going up here, a big wick right here. I think this is a lot of stop loss closing, which is gonna make the price go up. And this is why we had this mini squeeze, maybe you wanna call it mini squeeze, to Ethereum that led us out of this channel. But I think, first of all, what I think is going to happen technically speaking, we need to at least test this area as a support. Okay, it might happen today, tomorrow, in a few days, I don't know, but it should test and go down from here to test this support. That's going to be around 5.5%, 6%, something like this. Okay, but what's leading really the market is not Ethereum, it's Bitcoin. As you can see here, Bitcoin, same pattern, touched this area. Maybe it wanna go up a little bit more. If we look at it in the 4 hours, you can see we got down from this uptrend. Now it's touching this uptrend, getting maybe a resistance in the time that we speak. It looked like it's getting a resistance. It got a resistance here, went down all the way, but got back up because we do have still a little bit momentum from this very strong candles. What I think needs to happen, because I am still a bear on the crypto on the short term, I think, and we look at it in the daily, that it's very, very similar to what we had before. You can see here, we had this channel, we went up. This is like very similar to what happened to Ethereum. We went up from this channel and went back down, tried again, and boom. So it's just a matter of time, in my opinion, before we go back down and go down to our next level, which is around the 13,000 level. This is how I see the crypto market, exactly the same. It's gonna look with Ethereum. So what I expect going forward to Ethereum, I expect us to go and at least test this. Once we test, I don't believe we're gonna get support. I believe we're gonna, and again, this is just what I think, not financial advice, not blah blah blah, not blah blah blah. I think that we are going to go down to this $1,000 again very soon, and from there we may continue a little bit more in the channel, or finally break down and go to the next level for Ethereum, which is around the $700. This is what I think gonna go with Ethereum. If you want to know about Shiba Inu, a lot of people like Shiba Inu. Let's look at Shiba Inu just for the fun. So in Shiba Inu, we had a consolidation phase with the Bitcoin. We broke down, and now we are consolidating. We have another channel here that we had for a long time going, okay, between this green line over here and this green line over here. This is levels of support and resistance that I drew a long time ago. You can see it respected it over here as resistance and over here as support. Right now we are just in the middle of it. So for Shiba Inu, there is nothing special about Shiba Inu that will make it go up by itself right now. If Bitcoin will go down, Shiba Inu will keep going down, and if Bitcoin will pump up, Shiba Inu will pump up with it. Okay, so the next level for Shiba Inu to get a support from, in case we are going down, it's around 33% down, okay, in around the 750, 750, okay. If we go down from there, of course, we have another level here at the 600 and maybe even 560 and 550. One other coin that I really like and we can take a quick look at is Mana. Mana is a coin of basically of the virtual reality metaverse. So it's a very, 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 very strong coin. This is one of the coins that I will be buying in the near future, when I will see that this is a real buying opportunity for me. Not that now it's not. It is a real buying opportunity right now, but I do expect more bearishness to the market in the short term, and I really want it to be a good buy for me. However, if you just want to get in a little bit more and a little bit more and a little bit more, you can see right now it's just amazing buy. Mana is at 0.8, so it's 80 cents basically. And right now you can see its levels that we had these levels at 2021, okay, before we had the big rise when they declare about Meta. Okay, so by the way, if you didn't subscribe yet to my channel, please, this is the time to do so, so we can update you every single day on crypto, stocks, whatever you need to know, whatever is hot in the market. This is it for today. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.